So after the last two videos where I had kind of spooky, sort of scary intros, I decided I would do something soothing, and what is better than a black lab? So I couldn't get Mozzie to sit still long enough to film him, so the black lab does the trick. So I'm calling this from that finale for a couple of reasons. One is I've noticed that the number of views that have gone down on this from that. And I don't think that this journal is resonating with a lot of my subscribers. So I wanted to ask something of you, and I'm hoping that you'll do this for me. I have created a survey on SurveyMonkey, and that is a platform that allows you to create completely anonymous surveys. And I've got 6 questions on there. It would take you less than 2 minutes, and I would love it if you would fill that out. There, it's mostly check boxes, so you can just go through very quickly and just give me an idea of what you're looking for on this channel. And there's a link in the description box. You'll just need to click that. And I'm going to leave this open for a couple of weeks. So if you're watching this later and you don't see a link, it's because I've closed down the survey. So if you would do that, I would really appreciate it. So in the meantime, I think that I will probably make this my last journal, this from that. I did not get a lot of journaling done in the month of August and September. So you're just going to see a couple of pages, but I'm just going to flip through where we were and where we started on this journal. I had a lot of fun with it, and I will probably continue journaling in it, but I doubt very much that I'm going to show it any longer. So again, if you would just click that link in the description box and go take that survey. Again, it's very quick, less than 2 minutes, and that will give me info that I know where to take this channel. And I'll share that with you too, so that you can see where we ended up, the things that everyone's interested in. I have a lot of new subscribers, and a lot of you got here different ways, for different reasons. So I don't know that I can be all things to everyone, but I would like to at least have a variety of projects and things that maybe you'll be interested in looking at. So I'm just flipping through the months here just quickly, and I'll go ahead and start with August. I actually did not do any journaling in the month of September, and even the month of August was kind of sketchy. I'm actually surprised as I'm going through these pages how much I've journaled. So I think this was the last one that we did, and this starts August. And so I ended up, because these pages didn't really have anything on them that I felt like I could use, I ended up just going right over them. So you can see on this page is how it started out, was just really questions, and then you fill in the details. So I ended up just doing my own thing and just adding, I just didn't put paper over it like I used to do, but I just put my images. And I had a card that I got from Di that I liked and wanted to keep that in there. And then I made a little quirky character. And then this vinyl sticker came from my friend Patty, who has a shop, and I'll put that in the link. And she sent me a number of these vinyl stickers, and I really love them. So I dropped that in there. And then moving on to the next page, August is a big month for us, and that is Jesse's birthday and our wedding anniversary. So this side was Jesse's birthday, which was on the 9th of August. And then this side is a combination of the Somerset magazine coming out, and then also our 40th wedding anniversary. So I noted these in here and I combined the two. And you can see how these pages started out as well. There just wasn't much much there that I felt like I could work with. This was 2 coloring pages, and I've started coloring them. And then this was the last thing I did. And this girl, you can see how she started. She was fine. I was going to try and work with her, and I found that I was just having trouble journaling. I just was feeling stuck. So for me, when I feel stuck, I start collaging, and that's what I did. So I just took the basis of that girl's face and then created from there. And just had a super fun time playing with that. And that's really all I did. And I started looking at these next pages, and again, this one, I don't know, I just think a lot of these are just going to end up being covered up. So anyway, that is the finale of this from that. And again, I hope you'll click that link in the description box and go take that quick survey for me. I will have a video up next week on artist trading coins, and you'll want to stay tuned for that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.